If you have the Advanced Forms add-on, it's really straightforward to add your advanced forms into your Easy page. You can do that in Elements and use the Advanced Form element. It's just simply a case of dragging it into the page, going into the settings, choosing the form that you want to use, and then resizing it on the page so that you can see. Now, the difference between the basic and the advanced forms is there's a lot more different field options that you can use. So you can see here, I've got email address, first name, last name. I've got some multiple choice questions just here, but also I've added in a file upload field to allow people to send me files. There's also a signature box and a password field as well. Now, the settings for the advanced form are just down the side here. So yes, of course, you can change things like your title styles. So if I want to make this a bit bolder, I can change the colors of that just like I can with any of the other things. I can change the description style just at the top. Say I want to make it a little bit bigger. So you can see how you can customize the design of that. Now, when it comes to the functionality of the form itself, what happens when somebody completes it, that is all set up in the Advanced Form Builder, and we'll cover that in a separate tutorial. But for now, that is how you can add your advanced forms, if you've got that add-on, onto your pages.